what did Prime Minister say? And obviously the Congress is very upbeat about Rahul Gandhi's speech, and they are saying that it was superb and it has rattled the treasury benches. How do you react to that?
It has rattled the majority of the population of our country. They are upset the way LOP has spoken yesterday in the House. Not only he has hurt the emotions of people who are believers in various religions, but also the personal remarks that was made on the Prime Minister, personal remarks that was made on the chair, but also a lot of information was given on the floor of the House which was not correct. So yes, definitely, not only a portion of his speech should be expunged. I think the whole speech should have been expunged because majority of his speech was not correct, was not of the level of an LOP.
Thank you so much. Today is Mr. Chirag Paswan, sir. What did Prime Minister say?
And let's quickly go across to Shivani, who is joining us live right now. Shivani, the Parliament proceedings have begun, but more importantly, let's also listen to what Rahul Gandhi has to say.
अरे हाथ मत पकड़िए, हाथ छोड़िए आप। अरे राहुल जी बोल रहे हैं भाई, आप बोल रहे हैं, राहुल जी बोल रहे हैं। अरे बोल रहे हैं।
मोदी जी की दुनिया में सच्चाई एक्सपंज हो सकती है, मगर रियलिटी में सच्चाई एक्सपंज नहीं हो सकती है। जो मैंने कहा था, जो मैंने कहना था, मैंने कह दिया, वो सच्चाई है। और एक्सपंज करें, जितना करना है करें, सच्चाई सच्चाई होती है। धन्यवाद।
Well, सच्चाई होती है. Rahul Gandhi's first statement, Shivani, that is now coming in by portions of his speech yesterday, the maiden speech he made yesterday as the leader of opposition, were expunged.
Amita, Rahul Gandhi has reacted, and this is his first reaction after the uproar in the parliament when he made a speech and he put out allegations not only on Hindus but RSS, and parts of his speech have already been expunged from the records of the parliament on the orders of the speaker because they were baseless. There were counters that were raised by the BJP and the allies of the NDA after he said that Hindus are violent. And Priyanka Gandhi and other Congress leaders have already defended Rahul Gandhi. They said that he did not mean to hurt Hindus. He was pointing towards the BJP leaders. And Rahul Gandhi says, a meanwhile back we've heard, Amita, that he has said that Modi ji ki duniya se सच्चाई expunge हो सकती है, लेकिन ये सच्चाई है, and I'll keep on saying what I said yesterday in the parliament. So he remains quite adamant. He sticks to what he has said, and we also saw how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already addressed the parliamentary meeting of the NDA earlier in the day before the House has resumed for the day today, and he has said, and he has pointed out at the Gandhi Parivar specifically, he said that all of you must go and visit the Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya because it shows the contributions of not only one family but all those leaders who've contributed to the nation. You have to maintain the grace of the chair, and this was indicative of how Rahul Gandhi behaved yesterday as the LOP. And today also we've heard Kiran Rijiju and other leaders of the BJP and the NDA, they are saying that the grace and the sanctity of the chair was not maintained. Whatever he was speaking was not of the level of what LOP has to say. And most of his speech parts have already been expunged because whether it was about RSS, whether it was about Agniveer, he was already countered on the floor of the House by the respective ministers and the speakers. And then the mentions have already been expunged. But he remains quite adamant, as we've heard, that he sticks to what he said in the parliament. Amita.
Right, and Shivani, in all likelihood, it may happen or not, but as far as the Prime Minister's address is concerned, that is expected also to be the one that could be blazing at the opposition. Looking at the highlights already that the Prime Minister may have given during the NDA parliamentary party meeting.
Certainly, Amita, we expect that Prime Minister, while he will be addressing on the floor of the House later in the day around 4:35, he will be countering not only Rahul Gandhi as the leader of the opposition, whatever he spoke yesterday, whatever he said about putting out allegations on the government, be it on the RSS, Hindu, or the Agnipath scheme, or the Adani, Ambani allegations that were put out on the BJP and NDA. But yes,
right.
He will also be
Shivani, just as far as the viewers who are joining